Two wrestlers from the very top of the barrel. ЖАНТÖРÖ МИРЗАЛИЕВ of Kyrgyzstan in the blue and ЭРЗУ ЗАКРИЕВ of the UWW team in the red. Now, few wrestlers have been able to even last 6 minutes against Zakriev in this competition. He's ended 3 of his 4 matches early. He sets to work extremely quickly. And in this gold medal contest, he is going for his 2nd consecutive U20 world title. Mirzaliyev right now just dealing with the onslaught, trying to block, not let Zakriev get a hold that he wants. And Mirzaliyev is working extremely hard in that endeavour. That right arm is in danger though. On the elbow, on the wrist, 2-on-1. Zakriev knowing exactly what he wants to be doing. And ЖАНТÖРÖ МИРЗАЛИЕV knowing exactly what's being done to him, but finding it difficult to stop. Now the turn and arm throw attempt from the Kyrgyz wrestler, and he's going to get the first point. He could take 1:20 of an onslaught from Zakriev, but no more. And he has the first score. Zakriev is going to get a score himself here for the step-out point. And Zakriev now has to go back to an underhook on the left. Fighting for a step out again, finding ways to score quickly and readjusting his strategy. Started with pursuing one avenue, and now he's switched slightly to get a couple of points on the board. Now back to working on that right arm. Amongst his world title victory last year, he won the European U20 title as well. Mirzaliyev has been a U17 Asian champion in the past. It's caliber all the way through these young gentlemen's careers. And Mirzaliyev gets a 2nd step out for him. So all points from that means of scoring. Busy first 3 minutes. Mirzaliyev giving absolutely as good as he's getting from ЭРЗУ ЗАКРИЕВ. He wants something before the end of the round. It'll finish with neither adding to their tally. So 2 points each. Refreshed to a degree and ready for action. Zakriev putting early forward pressure on again, just as he did at the start of the first round. Kyrgyz flag waving in the background for ЖАНТÖРÖ МИРЗАЛИЕV. And he's stepped out. He's got it from Zakriev. 3-2 to the man from Kyrgyzstan. How they love Greco-Roman wrestling in Kyrgyzstan. It's at the very center of their sporting pursuits. in the Kyrgyz Republic. And at the moment, Mirzaliyev is really standing up to be counted. He's got 2 minutes, 10 seconds remaining. Lead is too slender to be relied upon. But Zakriev finding Mirzaliyev a much harder opponent than anyone he's faced here in Samakov so far. This is a different level for him as well. And the energy levels seem to be draining at a familiar, similar pattern. Neither is looking more tired than the other. They're both looking whacked. Throw by, which Zakriev was strangely slow to turn around from. Thinking about a step-out point here, so Mirzaliyev spins around and back into the centre. Last minute and the home stretch is on its way. Crescendo increasing, he's dogged, Zakriev. Hunting Mirzaliyev around the mat. Leading too much with his head though, says the referee. Step out point, we'll see him in the lead again, and those feet were treading carefully from Mirzaliyev. It was a seatbelt grip which helped him score at the start of the match, or helped him almost score, I should say, Zakriev. Last 15 seconds. It feels like a step out point is the most direct route to victory for Zakriev, but he's in the last 10 seconds and Mirzaliyev staggers around. So too though Zakriev, that's going to be a new world champion. It's Żantöry Mirzaliyev, and he's won it against the world champion from last year. So many quality operators in his side of the draw as well. Golamreza Abduvali, Fayaz Bekesh Mirzayev, and now ЭРЗУ Zakriev, all beaten by the new U20 world champion Żantöry Mirzaliyev of Kyrgyz.